Hey Kit Kats, Alley Cat here, and today I'm over at Mikey Bolts' house, and we're gonna do the chapstick challenge. Hey Mikey, hey Alley. Wanna go first? Yeah. That was sweet. What was that? Vanilla? Yeah, alright. Alright. You wanna go next? Yeah. Alright, cool. Cocoa? Yeah, alright, cool. Okay guys, so the next one is pickles. Allie's not gonna like it. Right? Yeah. Ew! Mikey, what is that? Oh, just pickles. They make that flavor? Yeah. Aww. So yeah guys, that was my chapstick challenge. Hope you guys like it. Be sure to give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe, and see you guys tomorrow.